echoes with a cosmic sound. Heat and light raining down, dust and ashes wear the crown. Meteors shrieking, light so fierce, fiery trails break the gears. Earth's shield can't stop this force, blazing through Earth's own doors. The dawn, traveling since time was